Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Munna Kahar, teacher of Joint School Family, and I am continuing your class 8 science subject. Okay. So in our previous class we have done about the principle of lever. Okay. So today's class also we are going to deal with the same concept. Okay. And today we are going to do some of the numericals. Okay. So in our previous class we have done this principle of lever. So in a balanced condition, okay, lever follows a principle, that is your effort into effort arm is equal to load into load arm, or effort into effort distance is equal to load into load distance. Okay, so let me give you one example. Suppose there is a stone, okay, whose weight is 1200 Newton. Okay, the weight is taken as load. Okay, so this is your load. This is your load. Load is taken as 1200 Newton. Okay, and we are going to lift it. We are going to lift it by the help of lever. So, okay, so let the lever be. This is your suppose lever. Okay, simply a lever is a rigid bar which is free to rotate about a point called fulcrum. So let the fulcrum be this. Okay, this is your fulcrum. Okay, so distance between load and this fulcrum is called load arm. Okay, its load arm is, let it be 30 centimeter. Okay, this load arm is your 30 centimeter. Okay, and we are going to apply the effort at this point. Okay, means from the fulcrum to a distance of, let us take, we are applying a effort 80 centimeter away from the fulcrum. Okay, this is your fulcrum, and from the fulcrum we are applying effort 80 centimeter away. Okay, we are applying the effort here. So our question is, how much effort is required to lift this 1200 Newton load? Okay, question is clear. There is a load of 1200 Newton. We are going to lift it by applying an effort. Okay, we don't know how much effort we are going to apply, but the condition is load arm. Okay, the distance of load from the fulcrum, this is your fulcrum, the distance of load from the fulcrum is 30 centimeter. So 30 centimeter is your load arm, and the effort which we are going to apply is 80 centimeter. We are applying effort 80 centimeter away from the fulcrum. So our fulcrum is here, so 80 centimeter away we are applying. So how much effort is required? We are going to calculate it. Okay, so we know the principle of lever, that is effort into effort arm, effort into effort arm is equal to load into load arm. Okay, in short I am writing because we don't have that much space there. Okay, so effort we don't know, so E for effort. Okay, into effort arm. We know the effort arm is here 80 centimeter. Okay, and we know the load is here 1200. Okay, and load arm is here 30. Let us unit at will write at last. Okay, so what 80 is doing here, it is multiplying, just transfer to right hand side. So effort is equal to 1200 into 30 divided by 80. Okay, this much we will get answer in Newton. Okay, so let's divide. 0 and 0s are cancelled. Okay, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 0. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 150s are. Okay, so let's multiply 150 into 3, that is your 15, 3 5 0 will carry 1, 3 1 3 4, 450 Newton. Okay, so how much effort we have to apply is here 450 Newton. Okay, so let's see it. So our question is, there is a stone of 1200 Newton. Okay, weight of stone is here 1200 Newton. We will take that as a load. Okay, 1200 Newton. So we are going to lift this stone by the help of lever. Okay, so this is our lever. Let's give the name AB. AB is the length of lever. Okay, and we have placed a fulcrum here. Okay, this is a fulcrum. So the distance between load and the fulcrum, is called your load arm or load distance, and that is your 30 centimeter. And the distance between effort and the fulcrum is your effort arm or effort distance, and that is given as 80 centimeter. Okay, so now our question is, how much effort is applied to lift this 1200 Newton load? Okay, so what we have, in a balanced condition, lever follows a principle, that is effort into effort arm is equal to load into load arm. Okay, so I have used effort into effort arm is equal to L for load, and this is a load arm. Okay, so effort is, we don't know effort, so I have written there just E only, that is E for effort. Effort arm is your 80 centimeter, so I have used here 80. Unit will write at last. Okay, load is your 1200 Newton, so 1200 Newton I have used here. Okay, and similarly load arm is a 30 centimeter, so I have used here 30. Okay, so here 8 is multiplying, transfer to right hand side, it will divide. Just do cancellation and divide here, you will get 450 Newton. So how much effort is needed to lift this 1200 Newton, okay, load, that is your 450 Newton. Now let's see, this is your 450 Newton and your load is 1200 Newton. Okay, so by the help of this lever, okay, this is your simple machine, and by the help of this simple machine we are able to lift heavier load by applying lesser effort. Okay, so now let's see some more condition here. So for this condition, your effort is 450 Newton. So what we will do, we will just decrease. Okay, here is your 30 centimeter. What I will do, I will make it 20. Other conditions are same. Let's see. Okay, what will happen here? Let's see what will happen here. Other conditions are same. I am going to make this load arm, that was your 30 centimeter. Now I am going to make it 20. How much I am going to make it? 20 centimeter. So now what will happen now? Let's see. Okay, if I make it 20, so in this condition there will be now your load arm will be your 20, because it is in our hand. We can increase or decrease the, okay, the length of load arm or the effort arm. Okay, we can adjust the fulcrum. Okay, so that is in our hand. So suppose if I make here load arm your 20, okay, instead of 30 I make 20. So what will happen now in the effort? Let's see. So E is equal to now 1200 into 20 upon 80 if you do. So now again let's cancel here. 0 and 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 3s are 12. Okay, so we got here 300 Newton. Okay, in the previous case same condition, but load arm was your 30 centimeter. We have decreased it to 20 centimeter. Okay, then we got the effort 300 Newton. In the previous case, when it was your 30 centimeter, that time we got effort as 450 Newton. But now after decreasing the load arm, we got effort more less, that is a 300 Newton only. Okay, so it proves that if you decrease your load arm, okay, if you decrease your load arm, you can lift heavier load by applying less effort. Okay, so now let's move to the previous condition again. It was here in first condition, it was 30. Okay, so now we have this 80 centimeter. Now we are going to make what it 40. So we are going to apply this effort more closer. Then what happened? Okay, so let's see. In that condition, what happened? It was your 30. Now we are decreasing the second condition. We are decreasing the effort arm. Okay, effort distance we are decreasing. Other conditions are same as previous question. So we are making it as 40 centimeter. So now 1200 into 30 divided by 40. Okay, so what we will get here? 0 and 0 cancel. Okay, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 300 here. So effort is equal to 3 3 are 9, 900 Newton. So now what is happening here? What is happening here now? In the same condition, if you apply effort closer to the fulcrum, if you move closer to the fulcrum, then you have to apply more effort. That is your look at this here, 900 Newton. So it depends. Okay, it doesn't mean that you are using lever then you can lift a heavier load. Okay, you have to use it wisely. Okay, what thing you have to consider? Okay, you have to decrease its load arm. Okay, load arm you have to keep minimum. Okay, and you have to increase your effort arm. You have to increase your effort arm. Then only you can, okay, lift more heavier load in less effort. I hope it is clear. So here, let's see here. Before, when it was 80 centimeter, then effort was your 450 Newton. Okay, but now when I kept instead of 80 centimeter, when I decrease the effort arm, okay, effort distance to only 40 centimeter, then we got effort as 900 Newton. So to lift the same load, okay, we may need more effort, okay, if we decrease the effort arm. But if we increase the effort arm and decrease the load arm, then by the help of less effort also we can lift heavier load. Okay, so I hope you are clear in this type of question. So thank you for today. Okay, and practice such type of question. I hope you can easily do. So thank you for today's class. Be safe, stay home. Thank you.